What if I told you that someone made $500 while they were sleeping last night? Sounds like a scam, right? But it's 100% real, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how people are making money in their sleep. And how you can too. Most people work for money. They trade time for cash like a 9-to-5 job. But what if your money worked for you instead? That's passive income. It's money you earn with little to no daily effort. Instead of working hour by hour, passive income allows you to make money 24/7, even while you sleep. Meet James. He designed a simple planner in Canva, uploaded it to Etsy, and now makes $3,000 a month from a file he created once. You can sell templates, ebooks, or printables on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Create it once, sell it forever. Lisa started a simple blog and added Amazon affiliate links. Now, every time someone buys through her link, she earns a commission. No product needed. Just recommend things you love and get paid. Did you know you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs without owning inventory? Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify handle printing and shipping for you. Create a design once and earn money every time someone buys it. Sarah invested $20,000 in dividend stocks and now she gets $500 a month without lifting a finger. Some stocks pay you just for holding them. Look into dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or REITs, real estate investment trusts. David recorded a simple course on how to use Excel and uploaded it to Udemy. Now he makes $5,000 a month on autopilot. Teach something once and get paid forever. So, which one are you going to try? Comment below. If you start today, in a few months you could be making money while you sleep. Want more easy to understand financial tips? Like and subscribe for more.